What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. My name is Rusty and we are back. Yeah, we have a slight accident that I've done. Yes, I'm kind of dumb sometimes, but I have purchased two cars. One was kind of on purpose, which is this Silverado right here. We will get back to it in a second. I think there was like a police chase going on here or something. We'll get back to it. This one's the better of the bunch. There's another car. Yes, a mistake right here. We have a 2008 Dodge Grand Caravan. Yeah, she's not, you know, the prettiest van, but I accidentally bought her. So let me explain what accidentally means. Obviously, I clicked the button online, you know, on Copart to buy this thing. But when I purchased the Silverado, I'll tell you guys all about that in a second. This was next, and it was in the same location. So I was like, well, let me hit it. It is a donation vehicle. It does have 93,000 miles. It is a clean title. So in my eyes, I was like, man, there's really, you know, there's really no damage. The only damage I see is like right here, which, you know, some touch up, all of that little buffing and all that stuff. We'll take care of this. It's a 2008. It's a little older, so it's not a big deal. And we did get it off the trailer. Yeah, it's not a good sign. You know, it makes weird noises. Let me show you. So yeah, we got traction control light, we got check engine light, and the steering wheel is shaking. We have a misfire. Dang, I should have checked this earlier, but there's no coolant in here. Like, there's just a little bit, and I've already checked the oil. There is barely no oil in there. So yeah, not a good sign already, guys. I don't know, this might be a blown head gasket type of issue. Well, technically blown head gasket could mean a lot of things, but it's not pressurizing. Where's this coolant leaking from? Well, found my coolant leak, and I found a hole in the radiator right there. Try to pressurize it some more, and it's leaking out through the radiator, so it needs a new radiator. That's very sus right there, because if they drove like this, then that's definitely probably something blown. Also, you know, this doesn't give good insurance right here. There's a whole thing of coolant here. There's, what is that? And then oil. We got oil. That makes sense. I'm running low on oil, coolant, so yeah, I'm gonna put some oil in this thing, see if it sounds any better starting up. Yeah, still has a miss somewhere. Man, this sucks. It's pretty bad news, but I mean, it could be fixable. It could be just neglected, right? This is the SXT model, so we got, what do we got here? Ooh, we got some DVD player right there. We got TVs right here. I mean, it's pretty cool, actually. And this thing comes up and there's like a table that pops up into here. Pretty cool. I mean, it's nasty, but it's pretty cool, right? Okay, so don't laugh at me. I'm gonna tell you guys how much I bought this thing for. You ready? 1, 2, 3. I've purchased it for $1,500. Doesn't sound too bad, right? It needs some sort of mechanical work. I'm good at stuff like this. First thing that I've noticed is the radiator. I'm gonna start with that. The radiator is $65 on eBay, so you know, I'm gonna cheap out, do the cheap radiator and pressurize the system, see if the misfire goes away. Probably not, but if it doesn't start overheating, bubbling over, and if the head gasket is all Gucci, then I'll go diagnosing the other issues on this van. It could still be saved, so I have no clue. If anything, we'll be, you know, experimenting. Let me know in the comments if you think that's a good deal with shipping and dealer fees and all of that. It's already sitting at about $2,200 right now. So yeah, 50-50 on this van, but it's okay. If anything, I can, you know, fix it up, resell it, maybe make a couple $100 or $1,000, maybe, right? I got both of these cars delivered from South Charleston, so Charleston Copart, and they were exactly the same place. And let's go to this Chevrolet Silverado. She is definitely not the prettiest thing to look at. This is the new body style. As you guys can tell, the headlights are the new body style. These HIDs or LED lights actually still work, so I'm pretty impressed by that. But there's a story here. For some reason, the rear tires are not popped. The fronts are just completely destroyed. So not exactly sure what happened. police chase, question mark, maybe, I don't know. She is a 2016 and she is just battered to hell.
That's a lot of damage.
Metal front bumper smashed in. Have no clue what happened here. All these plastic pieces that's supposed to be on the bottom, they're in the trunk of this truck. And yeah, 2 wheels, it needs wheels. I'm not sure what's going on here. Somebody painted the bottom of it black. I don't know. It's really worse than it looks on camera, guys. There's these spray marks right here and Bondo right here and swirl marks everywhere. I mean, the condition is just horrible. Around here it's not too bad, and then you get around here, there's all the parts. There's that. The rear looks all right, but here we go with like all of this black spray paint stuff. Like, look at this overspray. Like, somebody, I don't know why somebody would do this. This is not original. Some sort of molding or something. Like, there's overspray on the taillights. Like, there's spray paint everywhere. Like, what is going on? What happened here? I just do not know. Yeah, and this is the worst part. On camera, you guys can barely tell, but all of this is, I don't know, spray painted flat silver or something. And look at all this overspray on the taillight. Like, just want to smash it. Why is this so ugly? Well, who would do this to a truck? Like, I don't understand. Like, look at that. Like, what is this? What is that? Like, why would you do it? So yeah, I'm pretty disappointed, but 110,000 miles. So there is something good about this truck, is the interior. It looks pretty messy, but it's not ripped, it's not broken. There's some seat covers, leather seats, airbags not deployed. I mean, it's pretty messy, don't get me wrong. It's pretty messy. I don't know. What's that smell? It smells like marijuana in here. But what's good about this truck? That it starts and runs flawlessly. There is a Pioneer, whatever this thing is called, CD player, head unit, whatever. It's loading. Let's see if it works. AC. Does AC work? What the? There's no way. AC blows cold. Check it out. Why is it not blowing here? Something's broken. Oh, there you go. Wow, cold AC. That's what's up. That's a good plus in Florida. Let me show you the engine. She is purring like a kitten. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I've already checked the oil. I've already checked the coolant on this bad boy. It is full. The oil is actually clean. Transmission fluid is clean. The battery was completely shot. There was some sort of weird aftermarket battery in this thing. So obviously I went to, I don't know if you guys can see it, Walmart, got the $60 brand new battery. I'm cheap, so that's what I went with. And yeah, this thing runs and drives pretty well. Obviously not that great because, you know, the front tires, but we actually rolled it off the trailer. The semi wasn't here. I know this thing is like completely messed up, but we rolled it off the trailer and this thing drove. It was, you know, misalignment a little bit because of the tires, but she's good, man. She is a 5.3 liter V8. Headlights work. This headlight works. This thing is not the base model. I know this seems like it's flashing LED bar, but that's just the GoPro footage being all weird. Yeah, she's pretty ratchet on the outside, but she's a fixer-upper. I will tell you guys the price. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. This is a clean title vehicle. This was selling by the dealer, so something happened. They repoed it and then they sold it off on the auctions, and I did purchase this thing for $8.5 grand off auctions. 2016, 110,000 miles for $8.5 grand. Is it worth it? What do you guys think about the price? I know she's ratchet. Everything's fixable though. So yeah, what do you guys think about the price? Shipping plus dealer fee, it's costing me $9.5 right now sitting at my location. So in my eyes, it's 50-50. It's pretty ratchet. I need to buy some wheels, drive her. If she is, you know, stable, engine transmission is good, I think it's a steal. But if there is something wrong with the transmission, over time, if there's something wrong with the engine, I think I'm in a loss for sure. If this thing runs and drives good, I think I'm just gonna sell it as is or fix the whole truck. Not sure yet. Oh, I finally got this Pioneer thing to work. Well, that Pioneer works, but there is a problem. Is there? Yeah, there is. There's a backup camera here, but that thing is not connected to it. So every time I switch it to reverse, it doesn't pop this camera on. So that's kind of sucky, whatever. Also, somebody installed a Borla exhaust. If you guys know the brand Borla, pretty decent brand. she sounds pretty good. So that's a plus, I'm guessing, on this truck. And these wheels are 20-inch wheels. Where does it say? Right there, 20-inch wheels. So they're probably going to be kind of hard to find, right? Maybe, I don't know. Let me know in the comments below, guys, what you want me to do with this truck. So there's a lot of options. You know, I can put some tires on these things and send it back to auction and see if I can get my money back. Mistakes are mistakes, right? Or I can put some wheels on it, see if it runs and drives good. Since it is clean title, it's still worth something. It's not salvage. I could fix it up. Put new bumpers. Technically have to repaint the whole truck because this whole black scenario thing is not coming off. I thought it was plastic dip at first, but definitely not. Like, who would do this? Please comment down below who would do this, what nationality would do this. I already know, but not gonna say it on YouTube. And yeah, it's just horrible. Like, why? If you guys are new to my channel and are wondering why are these semi trucks around here, well, there's a reason. I rebuild some of these trucks, and also there's a surprise back there where a lot of my subscribers already know what it is. And I am a truck driver. So if you guys go ahead and, you know, smash that like button and subscribe, because I do a lot of heavy duty stuff. I sometimes do step-by-step rebuilding process. Sometimes I show what we just purchased. Like this machine right here is a 2015 with a Cummins, and yeah, this whole engine got pushed back 3 inches that way. So that's a whole story there. I'm not gonna go ahead and get into it now. And then there's like a Cascadia right here, there's like a Cascadia right there, another one right there, a Volvo right there. So there's stories around this place where you guys, if you are interested, go ahead and subscribe, watch all my videos down below. And I'm probably not gonna do a rebuild series on this truck, maybe, I don't know. There's just a lot to go through here, and it's just so hard to record and fix things, and it just takes forever. So some of these trucks are not gonna, you know, the process will not happen. It's just gonna get fixed. I'll show you guys what I just bought, and that's it. So yeah, anyways, where this video is gonna end is me telling you guys I'm probably gonna send these back to the auction. Maybe not. Both clean titles, both sort of run and drive. It is fixable. So, you know, money won, money lost, I don't know. I'm always into flipping games, so I'm always in for the money. I have to flip this and make money. So if I can put this run and drive, clean it up a little bit, and if it runs and drives good, I think I can sell it for 14 as is. Can I? I don't know, maybe. And this van, if I can fix all the mechanical issues, radiator, the misfire, and if it runs and drives good, I think I can sell it for about 4.5 grand. It is a clean title, so it is still possible. With my radiator and some mechanical work, this thing will cost me less than 3 grand. If I can make a grand on it, I'll be totally happy. Even if somebody comes and gets it for the price I have it, that's good enough for me. Let me know in the comments below if you guys want to see each of these cars be rebuilt completely, so I can do an episode on this, how I put the wheels on, how I get this thing running, maybe respray, maybe changing some bumper parts, or keeping it as is and seeing if I got a good deal. Also do the same thing with the van. Let me know in the comments. I know rebuild stuff is not that interesting to you guys. You guys all are here for the semi-truck stuff, but I do everything. This is my channel. I do what I want. Isn't that right? So appreciate it, guys. Make sure you smash like, stay tuned for more videos, and also buy my merchandise. Have some cool stuff for sale here and there. Also, be blessed. Stay tuned. Deuces.